So it's about 8 a.m. I've been working since around 5 a.m. Normally at this point I pass out, but I'm going to try and keep today as productive as possible. Just paid bills. Time for more push-ups. I just mowed the grass in our new house for the first time. I did a terrible job, but it's very wet and muddy. I'll have to do a little bit of a better job when it dries up a little bit. Mower took its fair share of grass as well. Smog check time. Look at this little room. Just got some returns done at Ulta and Target. Got some new storage devices. What are we doing now?
We are going to Marshall's Home Goods. Maybe? I have to check my list. Otherwise,
So we wanted a seamless experience for our Google Home. So we use these tools to cut a hole for the cable. It's just big enough, but it looks terrible. And that is how you make a wireless Google Home Max. Oh wait. Here we are again, back at the same Target that we were at before. Got some more essentials, and now we're off to see a movie. So we just got home, finished up seeing Pitch Perfect #3. It was pretty good. A little bit absurd and the noisiest crowd I've ever heard before. Time for bed.